it's not natural to judge somebody based on their genetic structure or their biological makeup. It's not natural to judge somebody based on the way they look. It's not natural. We've been taught that. We've been taught this hatred. We've been taught this hatred. It's so artificial. This world today is so artificial. I'm just totally drained. I'm drained. I'm exhausted. And exhausted is not even the word. It's oh my God. It's much greater than that. It's much worse than exhausted. I'm tired. I'm tired.